Welcome to HustleTech University School of Art and Fashion. In today's class, we're going to show you the easy process of pressing Sisser Easyweed vinyl. All gas, no brakes. Let's get it. First, let's get the legalities out of the way. HustleTech University is not affiliated or sponsored by Sisser in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. What up, what up? Welcome to HustleTech University. My name is Jesus Cain, independent artist and creative designer behind HustleTech Apparel and Ice Life Luxury Streetwear. If you're looking for helpful tutorials about how to start your own clothing brand, do your boy two favors. First, like the video. Second, subscribe to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easy process of heat pressing Sisser Easyweed vinyl to a black blank. Okay, for today's class, you need the following materials. You need your Sisser Easyweed vinyl. I designed this in Silhouette Studio. I cut it in reverse using the Silhouette Cameo 3. As you can tell, the vinyl's already weeded out and ready to go. Second, you need a heat press or a high quality iron. Sisser Easyweed vinyl can be applied with the iron, but for this demonstration we're going to use a heat press. The temperature is set at 305 degrees for 15 seconds. We're going to use medium pressure. Last, you need a high quality blank. This is a Gildan G500, and of course you need a cover sheet. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to press the blank for 3 to 5 seconds to remove any wrinkles or any moisture in the t-shirt. So we're going to do that first. Three to 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, the next thing I like to do is to fold the blank in half so you can find the absolute center and press it again. Just fold it in half. And give it another press for maybe 3 to 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, now we have a center crease that tells us exactly where to put the design at. Place the blank back on the press. Okay, you would like to start the design maybe 3 to 5 fingers down from the top. I like to go about 4 fingers down. Right there. Okay. You cover your design with your cover sheet. Okay, now we want to press the design at 305 degrees for 15 seconds. Easyweed has a hot or cold peel. It's your choice. Remove the cover sheet. And the design should peel off with no problem. See how easy that is? Finished product. You just add your neck label, your care instructions, maybe a hang tag, and you have a retail quality garment in a matter of seconds. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments about this process, please leave them in the video description box below and we'll dialogue. Are you looking for quality studio equipment for your YouTube channel or for your clothing brand? Research the links that we provided in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny portion of that transaction if you make a purchase. Thanks in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with us until the end of this class. If you're looking for more helpful tutorials, do your boy two favors. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we're going to show you the easy process of pressing Sisser glitter vinyl. You don't want to miss it. With that being said, this is HustleTech University. My name is Jezus Cain. Eat, rhyme, rewind. Until next video, deuces.